ice pick. Right, left, and he's gonna allow me to just work those two defenses right there. Okay. He's gonna go for the jugular vein because he's a psychomaniac. And I'm gonna practice just evading them the best way I know how. Okay. Always practice eyes first. So I'm practicing evading the knife more than anything, prioritizing the knife, destroying the arm, and then if I'm on this side, this hand's ready to fire, I touch the eyes. I'm just touching his cap, okay? Because on this side, this hand's loaded to touch the eyes. When we practice eyes, it's the most important strike that we have, hitting the eye. It's also the way we practice relaxed strikes. So we have speed and power and perfect kinetics. Okay? Go again. Sorry. Well, I had to, it was there. Okay. Another drill, starting to get into the practical application. He's going to do that long distance arcing here, okay? My priority is to survive the knife. To keep the knife as far away from my vital organs as possible first, before I try to counter. Counter is last. All counters are techniques of opportunity. The most important thing is that I evade that knife. So when he stabs, I want it off. Sitting there. Yeah. I want it off. Okay, now I'm going to move into the 2-on-1. And then off, and then down. So when you practice this, the most important part is evading the knife, getting in with flow. You want to move in slowly and smoothly, and slow is smooth, smooth is fast. And then you can do that takedown.